Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start a retirement fund with Fidelity, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Visit the Fidelity website or download the Fidelity app. Create an account if you don't already have one. Provide your personal information, including your name, social security number, and contact details. Set up your login credentials by choosing a username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the retirement section of the site. Select the type of retirement account you want to open. Consider options such as a traditional IRA or a Roth IRA. Review the contribution limits and eligibility requirements for your chosen account. Click on the Open an Account button to begin the application process. Fill out the application form with your financial details and investment goals. Select your initial investment amount and how often you plan to contribute. Choose your investment options, such as mutual funds or target date funds. Review your selections and confirm your choices. Read and agree to the terms and conditions. Submit your application for approval. Once approved, set up automatic contributions for consistent saving. Monitor your account regularly to track your progress. Adjust your investments as needed to stay aligned with your retirement goals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.